Good morning from Delaterra Permaculture Farm. Just wanted to pop in, talk about something new that we planted yesterday. This is cassava, or yucca, Y-U-C-C-A. These things will grow anywhere to 6 to 7 feet tall. You grow these for their large roots, and you can fry these or boil these. Most people eat them fried. If you've ever gone to a Hispanic restaurant, Central American type food, even Caribbean food, they use yucca. They will offer that. I've had some. It's like a potato but harder, and a lot of starch in it, but has a nice taste to it, kind of a nutty type taste. So we're going to grow these out and see how they do this year. Estimated time of harvest is probably going to be September or around that time. Definitely have to get these out before our first frost hits. So, and then we will post a video then, show how they came out. See you next time.